Brooks, Asics, New Balance, Nike, Saucony, and more. These well-known brands of shoes are synonymous with running, but are they the right shoes for you to wear? My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, and I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. I consider these types of shoes to be styles that are more traditional. That's not to say that they don't make styles to compete with the specialty shoes out there, but generally, their shoes are constructed with the average runner in mind. In today's video, I'm going to discuss what makes a running shoe traditional and how to know if it's the right type of shoe for you. Before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. I wrote a book all about running shoes, how to choose them, how to properly fit them, and you can order it for free at www.runningshoebook.com. There are always new fads in running shoes. A few years ago, barefoot running was in and a lot of people wore the Vibram 5-finger shoes. That is until they got stress fractures. That led into more minimalist shoes like the Nike Free, and then the pendulum swung to maximalist shoes. What was funny is that the same runners who came in with barefoot shoes were then coming in with maximalist shoes. Don't worry, these things are cyclical. Everything will come around again. Through all the recent trends, there are traditional running shoes. These shoes do change some, but usually to offer more of what the runner needs, often while decreasing the weight of the shoes. A common term you may hear when discussing shoes is drop. Drop is the difference between the elevation of the heel and the elevation of the forefoot. Drop doesn't mean that the midsole is thin and you're close to the ground. It's meant to describe how much higher the heel is than the forefoot. Generally speaking, a conventional running shoe has a pitch of 8 to 12 millimeters. While you may hear or read experts telling you what is the perfect drop for a running shoe, which can range from 0 to 12 millimeters, the truth is there's no perfect drop. Someone who has Achilles tendon pain and runs with a heel strike would benefit from a higher drop shoe. Another runner who runs with a midfoot strike might do fine with a lower or 0 drop. It depends on your running style and the stability of your foot mechanics. I've seen long-time runners be sidelined with Achilles tendonitis because they were told it was right to move to a 0 drop shoe. While it may be right for some, it certainly wasn't right for this runner. The makers of traditional running shoes do embrace the 3 prime categories of running shoes. They are neutral or cushioned, stability, and motion control. Knowing where you fit will make it easier to find a proper running shoe for you. A neutral shoe is best for a runner who doesn't need medial support. It's well suited for someone with a high arch. Runners with a high arched cavus foot don't need any more pressure in the arch and need cushioning and shock absorption. That's what a neutral shoe is best suited for. Some favorite examples of a neutral shoe is the Asics Gel Nimbus, the Brooks Ghost, and the Saucony Endorphin. A stability shoe is ideal for a generally stable foot. It provides some medial support, but allows for the normal amount of pronation that we experience during the gait cycle. These are also good for runners who have mild to moderate pronation and wear an orthotic or insole to control them. My favorite stability shoes are the Asics Gel Cayano and the Brooks Adrenaline. A motion control shoe is the stiffest and most controlling shoe. There's a good amount of material in the medial arch to prevent overpronation. Although these shoes are traditionally heavy, better materials have allowed them to have greater support and be much lighter. My favorite motion control shoe is the Brooks Beast for men and the Brooks Ariel for women. If you've been running in traditional running shoes without pain, problems, or injury, there really isn't a compelling reason to switch away from these shoes. This is particularly true if you run with a heel strike. You can run in a conventional running shoe with a midfoot strike, but you can also give the other more specialized shoes a try. Don't just switch running shoes on a whim. Make sure you have a good reason to make the change. Switching into a running shoe that isn't quite right for you can expose you to injury. In next week's video, I'm going to discuss one of the most popular shoes on the market today, Hoka. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. I wrote a book all about running shoes, how to choose them, and how they should properly fit. You can order it for free at www.runningshoebook.com. The link is in the description. If you're not sure that your current running shoe is the best fit for you, let me take a look. I'll watch you walk and run in the shoes and will let you know my thoughts. Don't hesitate to contact the office for an appointment. That link is also in the description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.